Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change your password. So when the situation like this occurs, you will be ready and will have no problem accessing your TrollWall account. The first thing we need to do is to click on Forgot Password. Now you need to enter the email that your TrollWall account is associated with and click Continue. Then click on Continue. We will verify your identity. Don't worry, it takes literally no time. When we are sure you are not a robot, we will send you the email. This operation only takes few seconds. In your email, click on the info mail that you have received. Then in the message, click on the link, which will take you to the site where you can change your password. Here you can enter your new password. Then re-enter your password to make sure it's written correctly. Lastly, click on Reset Password. And that's it. See how easy it was?